read this text and then answer this worksheet. Nah, instead, let's analyze and annotate texts with FigJam, a free online whiteboard tool I'm partnering with. It's visual, interactive, and much more fun. Here's how I can have students interact with the novel Don Quixote in my Spanish classes. I just grabbed a section of text from Don Quixote from Project Gutenberg and copied it here. Students can do this work individually or in small groups. Here are 3 quick ways students can interact with this text. First, vocabulary. Have them make a new vocabulary list and a sticky note off to the side with the word and the definition. Second, let's identify different types of sentences in the text. We can do this with highlighters. Highlight descriptive text in blue, dialogue in yellow. This helps students see the structure of the reading. Third, add a poll question or discussion question before assigning it to students. Have students answer the discussion question in a little sticky note or have them click on the poll to answer it. And it's easy to share this template with students. Just click Share and choose Share to Google Classroom, where you can make a copy for each student. Or if you want to do small group work, give them a share link so that they can make their own copy. And all of a sudden, this activity is way more fun and effective than just having students do a fill-in-the-blank worksheet. Or when you have all of your students working together in the same FigJam file and they're all interacting together and even inspiring each other, it's so cool. Get started with FigJam and make your own engaging lesson at figma.com/education.